So what's going on, guys? This is Big Bass TV, and I'm just gonna go fishing tomorrow. It's the first video on this channel. So yeah, I'm gonna start making like vlog type like fishing videos, sort of like John B with Fishing in the Midwest, Andrew Flair, them channels, and like Kicking Their Bass TV, just them, because I really like their channels. So I decided to make a bass fishing channel, so I'm gonna get my GoPro and everything rigged up for tomorrow. And like when I'm recording at home and just doing stuff with the boat, I'll record with this, with your Canon Rebel T5i, the Rode VMI Pro Recoit. And right here, there's my tackle bag. It's just sitting on my bed. All I have to do is put my sunglasses in it, and which go right there, and everything. It'll be ready. And I've got to line one rod, which is a spinning rod, because my other ones are already ready. My bait caster and all that, all that's already ready. So I'm just gonna probably get everything rigged up. It'll be a little later tonight when I will get everything ready. But yeah, this is my first video on the new bass fishing channel, and it's my first bass fishing channel. But I bass fish every Saturday, so there'll be new videos every Sunday. So I'll have a day to get them edited and everything. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this channel. Enjoy what I'm gonna bring, the content and everything. That with my phone. So yeah, let's just get some fishing stuff ready, and I'll see what we've got to do. So guys, like I was saying, I went and tested it. It does work on there, so it will be going. And it's a really long video. It'll be cut up so I can get more fishing into it. So yeah, everything's ready. Put one rod, and that's about it. And I'll see you guys later. So what is up, guys? I just now got back from fishing, and just got everything laid back out. So yeah, I did not get any fish catches on film because I had my GoPro off and forgot to turn them on. I caught one. My dad caught two. We took two other people. One of them caught one, the other one caught three. So yeah, it was a pretty good day. We missed a lot, but I did not get any fish catches on film. But it's the first video, so you really can't expect too much from me. I mean, yeah, you should probably expect a few fish catches, but I mean, I tried and I failed. But yeah, just gotta put everything back up. We stopped at this little store right outside the place, and I got two lipless crankbaits. Two new ones. So yeah, I'm just gonna put all my GoPro stuff up because I really don't need it. Yeah, that's really about it. Nothing really too exciting. There's no catches on film, but we've got a couple time lapses in there. So yeah, it was a pretty hard day. It wasn't the best, but you know, you have them days sometimes. But yeah, if I can get this thing. Oh my god. Just putting everything back where it goes, 'cause I really don't, like I said, I really just don't need it. Only thing I'm gonna need is probably the SD card, which I won't use that till tomorrow anyway. So I'll probably just leave that out. That's probably about it. That's no freaking way. I just not looked. I never did get this battery. I left it on charge and never did get it. That's crazy. So this battery was left on charge and never even touched. Wow. That's why I don't always turn off my surge protectors, because stuff like that I'm very forgetful. But yeah, it was an alright day, I guess. Was not the greatest, was not the best we've had, but it'll be alright. So now I've got everything a little more organized, and now I'm like more ready. I'm gonna show y'all the new crankbaits that I got, which are in my tackle box. If I can open it. This box. I'm gonna take that off too. These are the two that I got. I got this one. Oh no. And this one, which is now stuck in my blanket, because I forgot they had treble hooks. Ouch. And by the way, these things are sharp. Crap. I just dug this thing right into the blanket. Okay, I got this end out. Please come out. Come on now. Okay, I got it. And I got this one. So that's the loopless crankbaits. And yeah, I just pretty much leave my stuff ready, and I'm gonna get myself some more ride gloves. I need some more so they don't get tangled. Put these little things that I had around my neck. Put them back in there. I have two. And yeah. So that's been the video, guys. If you have enjoyed, be sure to like the video. And if you want to see more, subscribe. But yeah, please don't take like, not every video is going to be like this, just the first one. So yeah, better videos coming, and there'll be, okay, the video that comes this coming Sunday, which I'll upload like probably once a week, every Saturday or Sunday, mostly Sunday. But I won't get to go fishing this coming Saturday, so it's just gonna be more like a tutorial or something. Like, I don't know, like maybe like a tackle type thing, like a rod arsenal, I don't know, something like that. Because my dad's a captain for the high school, and they have the state championship, which I can't be on there until next year. So I'll be on the team next year, and there'll be awesome videos at like high school tournaments and stuff, which would be awesome. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next bass fishing video, and this has been Big Bass TV. Peace out.